In the distant reaches of our solar system, a faint point of light danced among the stars. Discovered in 1930 by astronomer Clyde Tombaugh, this celestial object captured the world's imagination and earned the name Pluto. Initially hailed as the ninth planet, Pluto, named for the Roman god of the underworld, seemed to complete our solar system's lineup. Little was known about this distant world, its icy surface shrouded in mystery. Decades passed, and technological advancements slowly began to unveil some of Pluto's secrets. Astronomers discovered a heart-shaped glacier the size of Texas and mountains made of water ice. Pluto, it seemed, was more than a simple ball of rock and ice. It had a complex and intriguing surface. However, as we delved deeper into the outer solar system, our understanding of this region began to shift. The discovery of other icy objects, some similar in size to Pluto, orbiting beyond Neptune, challenged our definition of a planet. These discoveries sparked a debate that would forever change Pluto's status. The year 2006 marked a turning point in Pluto's history. The International Astronomical Union, the governing body responsible for astronomical nomenclature, established a formal definition of a planet. This definition included 3 criteria. A planet must orbit the Sun, be massive enough for its gravity to pull it into a spherical shape, and have cleared its orbital neighborhood of other objects. Pluto, while meeting the first 2 criteria, stumbled on the third. Its orbit, unlike the other 8 planets, was populated by numerous icy bodies in a region known as the Kuiper Belt. This led the IAU to reclassify Pluto as a dwarf planet, a decision met with mixed reactions from the scientific community and the public alike. The debate surrounding Pluto's status highlights the evolving nature of scientific understanding, reminding us that our knowledge of the universe is constantly being refined as we make new discoveries. The IAU's decision to reclassify Pluto as a dwarf planet was not arbitrary but rooted in a desire for a more precise and consistent definition of a planet. The discovery of Eris, a Kuiper Belt object with a mass even greater than Pluto's, underscored the need for such a definition. If Pluto remained a planet, then Eris and other similar-sized objects would also have to be classified as planets, potentially leading to a solar system with dozens of planets. The clearing the neighborhood criterion became a key point of contention. Planets, due to their gravitational influence, are considered the dominant objects in their orbital paths, having either accreted or ejected smaller bodies within their vicinity. Pluto, however, shares its orbital space with numerous other Kuiper Belt objects, indicating that it hasn't cleared its neighborhood in the same way as the other 8 planets. Reclassifying Pluto as a dwarf planet acknowledges these differences and provides a more accurate categorization of celestial objects based on their characteristics and orbital dynamics.
The debate over Pluto's status is far from settled. Many astronomers, including myself, believe that the current definition of a planet is too restrictive and doesn't account for the unique characteristics of objects like Pluto. Pluto has a complex geology, an atmosphere, and even weather patterns. These features make it more akin to the other planets than to the smaller, less active bodies in the Kuiper Belt.
You know, there's something magical about Pluto that captures the public's imagination. It's not just about scientific definitions, it's about what Pluto represents to us as explorers of the cosmos. Reinstating Pluto as a planet would honor its place in our solar system and the role it has played in inspiring generations of space enthusiasts.
So, what would it mean if Pluto were to be reinstated as a planet? Well, it would certainly shake things up in the astronomical community. We'd have to revisit our criteria for what defines a planet. This isn't a trivial matter. It could set a precedent for other celestial bodies in our solar system. Imagine the debates and discussions that would follow. It would be a fascinating, albeit complicated, journey for science.
So, if Pluto were reinstated as a planet, it would definitely shake up the way we teach our solar system. Imagine having to update textbooks, lesson plans, and even educational toys. But you know, it might also reignite a passion for space exploration among students.
You know, Pluto has always held a special place in the hearts of many. It's not just about science, it's about the stories we tell and the names we grow attached to. Reinstating Pluto as a planet could really resonate with the public and bring back that sense of wonder.
Well, historically speaking, the classification of celestial bodies has always been in flux. Pluto's story is just another chapter in the ongoing debate about what constitutes a planet. It's a reminder that science is always evolving, and our understanding of the universe is never set in stone.
As we look to the future, Pluto's legacy continues to inspire us. Whether it's classified as a planet or not, its discovery and the subsequent debates have fueled our curiosity and drive for exploration. The journey to understand Pluto is far from over, and who knows what new discoveries await us in the vast expanse of space.